to the store, watching the world on TV. Somewhere there's a war. It all looks so distant, it all feels so far, till the truth comes knocking, knocking on your door. Sometimes in your life you just have to fight, fight for what's right. Use your strength with caution, that's what I teach my son. Follow your heart and wisdom, walk proudly in the sun. Don't heed the call of violence, no matter who it comes from. Listen to your conscience, make your choice alone. But sometimes in your life there comes a time to fight, fight for what's right. Traffic in my hometown, driving home from work, missing all my comrades, crawling